Nick bought a new car. Each year, the car depreciates in value by 12%. Work out the number of years it takes for the car to halve in value. It's a compound interest question. Well, it's a depreciation question because it's going down. So 100% subtract 12% equals 88%. And therefore the multiplier is 0.88. So I'm not told the value of the car, so I'm just going to assume the value is £1,000. Not an expensive car. 0.88, and then I don't know what this number is, but what I'm told is I need it to half in value. So I'm going to say it's going to be 500. This is what I'm aiming for. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my calculator to find out what that n is using my back button. So on my calculator here, what I've done is I've put in the 1,000 multiplied by 0.88 or 0.88. You might like to see a 0 in there. Doesn't matter. And then I've put to the power of 3. Let me just go over how I do that. 0.88, and then I have this button with a X with a little square, and then I put the 3 in here. This gives me, this gives me the value of the car after 3 years. And what I would do on an exam paper is I'd actually go 3 years equals 681.472. I'd put that value on my on the paper. Then what I'd do is use the back button. I'd go back and maybe I'd try 4 this time. I'm getting closer. I've got 599. But I need it to have halved in value. So I'm going to try 5 next because it seems like I'm getting quite close. I'm still not there, 527. Let's try again. 464. So I'm now at 6 years and it's 464. So the answer is 6 years. Note I put a number in here because I didn't know what it was, but all I need to do is see that this number relative to this number. And by putting it into my calculator using my back button, I can relatively quickly get down to the answer that I want.